Yo!
Cudgle, wake up.
What? Huh? What?
You fell asleep. You're supposed to be making a new video today.
Oh, I'm sorry, Robert. I'm just super tired today for some reason.
What were you doing last night?
Alright, Candy Corn, I hope you're ready for this staring contest, because I sure am. I don't think you are ready, little man. Who's been the one massaging their eyeballs for a week straight preparing for this battle? I don't think it's you. It was me. Start the countdown, Mr. Ghost. Just face it, dude. I know you're gonna crack it any second. I know it's starting to get you now that we're at the 22-hour mark. There's no shame in giving up now and just accepting your...
Cudgle, wake up.
What? Huh? What? It was something very important.
If it's not making me money, then it's not important. Get back to work.
Alright, fine. Alright, well, what should I make today? Whoa, it's really hard to focus today. Usually it's super easy to just smush some clay together and then a sculpture magically appears, but that staring contest has left me feeling really tired.
Wait, what are you doing?
What was... Oh, hey, Robert. I wasn't slacking off or anything, if that's what you're wondering. Hey, Candy Corn Plush was here just a second ago, wasn't he? Hey, and Mr. Ghost was here too. I haven't seen him in a little bit. Huh. Actually, on second thought, it's not that big a deal. I never really liked Candy Corn Plush in the first place. I'm pretty sure he's been cheating at our staring contests because he doesn't need to biologically blink since he's just a pillow with felt eyes glued to it. So that doesn't really bother me too much that he's gone. I'm kind of worried about Mr. Ghost though. Hey, Robert, are you feeling okay, man? You look a little thin and papery. Something's not right here. Robert! Why do you have that knife? Don't tell me you were trying to make a sandwich? Robert, I'm so disappointed in you. You're on a diet. And you were looking so good, too. Maybe that's why you look different, because you've been cheating. Well, I won't let you throw away your keto like that. Bad robot. I'm just gonna put these things away so that the temptation isn't there. What?
Cudgle, thank God you found us. The monster under that bag tied us up and threw us in the closet.
Who are you, and why are you with Candy Corn and Mr. Ghost?
What?
You know, you look an awful lot like my friend Robert, but there's no way you can be because he's on the desk over there.
Cudgle, I know you're stupid, but are you seriously this stupid?
Hey, it's not nice to call strangers names. Can you believe this guy, Robert?
That's a paper bag with a shitty drawing of me on it. How the hell do you think it's actually me?
Because who else would it be? He's even got the word Robert pointing right at him.
It's obviously one of Mr. Plastic Springman's lackeys trying to get us. Stop being so dense and let us free before he kills us all.
I'm like 85% sure that my friend Robert wouldn't kill us all, so you should be fine, stranger.
Oh my God, you're an idiot.
Hey, what'd I say about cheating on your diet? Jeez, man, you're never gonna get those washboard abs you've always wanted if you keep trying to snack.
Cudgle, do me a favor and lift up the bag.
His name is Robert, and he's my friend. Thank you very much.
Alright, Lift up your friend Robert.
Alright, but I've got my eye on you. You could be one of Mr. Plastic Springman's lackeys trying to kill us all.
I'll kill you all, you sons of bitches!
Wait, you're not Robert. You're adorable.
Yeah, wait, that thing is actually super cute.
Don't call me cute, you homunculus good-for-nothings! You're dead!
Oh my goodness, what a cutie. Oh, I could just eat you up, you little...
Get your hands off of me, cretin! Springman wants you dead, so I'll make you dead.
How could something so cute be trying to kill us?
Watch, Tin Can!
No, Mr. Ghost!
Mr. Ghost, no. You were the only person I mildly tolerated in this world.
Now you see me, now you don't.
There, I killed your friend. Believe me now?
I got it.
What?
I know what I'm gonna make today.
Cudgle, Mr. Ghost just died.
Yeah, but I gotta make this before I forget, because my brain's not big enough to hold thoughts for very long. Anyway, so, that puffball was under a bag pretending to be you.
Yeah,
Well, I can think of a Pokemon that does exactly that.
hey, yeah, you're right. Good idea.
I just killed your friend. Why are you two so cool with this?
Not now, Cotton Ball. I've got a video to make. What's going on, people? It's your boy, me. I got a commission to make a Mimikyu custom amiibo, and I thought it would be fun to make a video about it. If you want a commission of your own, go ahead and go down to my description, and you'll see the link to my Etsy. I don't do every commission, but just let me know what you want, and we might be able to work something out. Also, rest in peace, Mr. Ghost. Anyway, let's make a Mimikyu custom amiibo.
Can you untie us now?
Shh, I'm making a video. Alright, let's go ahead and get started with our Mimikyu custom amiibo. I normally sketch out the sculpture I'll be making, but in this instance, we'll be making it as close to how this default image looks as possible. We only need 3 clay colors today. Some off yellow, some black, and a little bit of this brown, I think? We'll start by making the body. The first step is to make a sort of gumdrop / teardrop shape. Once we do that, we can pinch out a few points at the bottom of the shape. Some of the points will be curled up and some to the side and stuff like that to make it look more like flowing cloth. Then we can stick the head on top of it. The head is a pretty basic oval, so I didn't film myself making that. The ears were kind of a cool process actually. I took a bit of yellow and a bit of black, touched them together, then rolled them back and forth in my fingers. It worked really well to make them into one seamless piece. Then I just rolled the tip of the black half into a point. For extra durability, I put some wire in the ears. I actually put wire where the neck is as well, to make sure that wasn't too fragile either. The last step with the ears was to make them a bit wavy and bent. The yellow points at the base of the body just aren't gonna cut it, man. We need to add some black ones too. The tail was surprisingly pretty frustrating to get right, since there's a piece of wire inside it, and it was a pain to keep it in the right shape while I formed the clay around it, and yeah, I'll stop complaining now. I reinforced the tail by putting wire where it connects at the base and where it touches the head. That thing won't be budging anytime soon. Now we're gonna clean this dirty, dirty clay with some nail polish remover on a Q-tip. This is a really effective way to get those infuriating little pieces of dust and hair off of your clay. Just wanted to remind you guys that if you're enjoying the video so far, it would be awesome if you left a like or told me what you think about it in the comments below. Stuff like that helps the channel grow, and I love it when other people see and enjoy my stuff. If not, that's cool, but I just wanted to remind you that those are some things that YouTube lets you do. Once the clay is cleaned, it can be baked according to the baking instructions. Once that's complete, we can paint on the eyes and the fake face. With the painting done, we only have a few things left. Let's glue it to the base that I made beforehand out of resin. I make the bases this way because it's a lot easier and faster than using clay, but clay would work too. The white circle on the inside of the black piece is the NFC chip that the game will recognize. In Smash Bros, it'll be a Pikachu. I mean, did you expect it to be anything else? Now that the whole sculpture is put together, we can glaze it with a matte finish. And there we go guys, a Mimikyu Custom Amiibo. This video's not quite over yet, so be sure to stick around, but I just wanted to thank you guys for watching. It means a lot that you take the time out of your day to watch my videos. Let me know what you thought about this one in the comments. Be sure to give me some ideas for the next one in the comments as well. Leave a like if you liked it, and leave a dislike if you didn't. If you subscribe, then I will make videos, and you may or may not watch them. How can you pass up an offer like that? Take an adventure down into the description to find rare treasures like my social media, including my Twitter, Instagram, and Etsy if you want a commission just like this one. I hired an appraiser to tell me how much these treasures are worth, and he told me that combined, I could get probably 15 bucks for all of them. Can you believe that? What a deal. Alright, I'm out of here. I'll throw it back to the skit version of me once this ending shot is done, so we can figure out what happens to Cudgle and his wacky friends. Alright, peace. Well, that was fun. Hey Robert, I made a video like you told me to.
Great. Untie us.
Oh yeah, geez, sorry.
You insufferable fools! Your lives will meet their ends at my hand. You will all bow down to my wrath. I'll kill you all!
This thing's super cute. I think we should keep it.
Agreed.
Hey, what's your name?
My name strikes fear into the hearts of man. Your eyes will bleed, and your ears will explode at the sound of my name.
Yeah, so what is it?
Kimmy.
That's a pretty cute name. Wait, Mr. Ghost, you're okay?
I guess he can't really die if he's already dead.
Yeah, makes sense. Hey, Mr. Ghost, did you meet our new friend Kimmy? Isn't she cute?
I will kill you all!
Oh, what a cutie. She's so adorable.
Cute. Aw.
Ah! I'm not cute.
Ah, jeez. Okay, do over. Let's go again. Go.